Go. Hey, hi, Alex. This is
Yeah,
Priyanka, and I just would like to know your experience here. So, what is your experience about the LPM training delivered by Advanced Agility?
LPM feeling so I no more experience. Why? Because I'm a project manager and program manager and agile coach. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why I'm learn the I'm finding the course about the lean portfolio management to find a way to uplift my capability. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the reason I choose this course and why
Okay.
I choose the agility because in the past I joined two course. I joined two course in the COPM and the Advanced Scrum Master. Uh, Both of them conducted by the Advanced Agility, so that's why I in the third time I choose the Advanced Agility again.
Oh, that's great to know that you have been with us for a very long time and you have done POPM and Advanced Scrum Master with us. And we are quite happy to serve you as our participant and helping you to learn more in your career. Any specific reason that you want to highlight, and because of which you want your colleagues also to go for this LPM training by Advanced Agility?
Conducting the organizing of the Advanced Agility is so professional, and I get some this this have the promotion for the
Okay.
Advanced Agility, so that's why I choose it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Alex. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. Thank you.